WalkingBUBU checking out Villa Medici on the Pincian Hill in Rome. Got the tickets, joining a guided group. Villa was purchased by Cardinal Ferdinando de Medici. Villa is famous for an inside-out design, where the luxurious, heavily decorated facade overlooks the private rear gardens rather than the public street. Simply beautiful. The garden has wide paths and hedges, statues along the way, quiet and open space at first. Garden is about 17 acres large, abundant antique statues and busts arranged throughout the garden. Story of the massacre of the Niobites passing the statue group. There are statue room, bird room, and more to explore. Reaching the viewpoint, looking over panoramic view of Rome. Roofs, domes, and streets, you can see everything from here. Before we enter the villa, notice there is a fake window that was painted on purpose to save paying for tax. Enter in the villa, cool and quiet rooms. Alessandro de Medici stayed here. History inside the walls, beautiful paintings on ceilings, cannot take eyes off. Please enjoy. Da 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 da